Okay, so today I'm going to review my Fitbit. My Fitbit here is really nice. It's called Fitbit Charger 3. Um, what I would recommend anyone that decides to buy them a Fitbit to look into it first. Really, to be honest, everything that my Fitbit does, so does my cell phone. I have an iPhone. The only reason why the Fitbit is actually more convenient than the iPhone is because you don't always have your phone with you when you're walking and jogging and exercising. That's the only real reason why I use it. My Fitbit has many different settings on it so that you can turn it to jog mode and walking mode and exercise mode. It counts your steps for you. It counts your calories. It counts how many floors how many stairs you go up. It's actually pretty convenient. The only thing that I don't like is there's really not anything that you can't do with another app, really, to be honest. If you're a person that always has your cell phone at all times, then your iPhone or Android can track your steps. But if you're like me, who oftentimes puts down her phone and walks around and does other things, or even works without the cell phone, then this will be perfect for you. The Fitbit, I think, is an upgrade, but not a necessity. It's not something that you need. Like back in the day, we needed a pedometer because we literally couldn't track it with our phones. Because we needed a way to keep track, but now we really don't. I got the Fitbit because that was something that I wanted. It does encourage me to walk more steps. It's a visual stimulation to get you to walk more steps. It gives you different badges and things of that nature. But the only way you can connect with other Fitbit users that you know is if you get a paid subscription to the Fitbit program. I choose not to. I choose to use the free version. It's not that deep for me, but if you want to challenge and you want to be able to challenge other people that you know, then getting the premium edition may be the best option for you. But now this Fitbit, it lasts about, I would say about 3 or 4 days without needing a charge. Now, what's really cool about the Fitbit is if you happen to forget that you've been wearing it for days on end, because yes, it does have a sleep tracker, so it tracks your sleep. You can set up how many hours you want to sleep per night, and it'll give you a sleep score to see how good you slept, how many times you tossed and turned, how many times you woke up, things of that nature. So now, even with sleeping through and all of that, about 3 or 4 nights is pretty accurate for this. Now, the thing that's really cool is if you've registered your Fitbit, once you get it, you get the registration card, it will send you reminders. If the battery gets low for any reason, if you're in bright sunlight, you will not be able to see the screen. It is not going to light up. It will pretty much ignore you. Other than that, the Fitbit is cool. I think that for a person that's trying to lose weight, trying to get some motivation to move and to become active, this is a great idea. And if it's something that you will set a goal to, okay, I'll walk 10,000 steps a day or 5,000 steps a day, or even start low, 1,000 steps a day. It gives you earning badges when you reach different milestones, different amount of walking, different amount of activity. It will give you milestone badges, which may be a good motivation. Or like I said, you can want to get the Fitbit Premium. The Premium allows you to talk to different people. It allows you to get with, they have little chat groups you can do. And of course, like I said, you can challenge your friends and family, whoever has Fitbit, to walking goals or exercise goals or anything like that. So for me, the Fitbit is a great idea. One thing is it must be on you to track you. You cannot be holding it in your hand. I'm going to show you why before I get off of here. Trying to take it off. Okay. This is why. If you see the back has a sensor right here that allows you to, for it to basically track your pulse through your wrist. So everything is tracked through there. This is also where you plug up the battery to recharge it. It comes with a USB cord, so you can plug it into anything to charge. Takes about an hour to charge it fully. If it's all the way down to 0 or 5% or something like that, about an hour or so. Now, I will say the band is pretty flexible, as you can see. It's pretty flexible. You can use it at all times. It's washable. So, this whole thing is actually washable. So you can take a bath, you can take a shower, you can take a swim, all of which this Fitbit Charger 3 will withstand the water. So this may be a good option for anybody that just wants a little bit more encouragement, tracking your steps, basically getting your athletic life back. So if I was you and I was looking for something small, compact, doesn't really get in the way, the Fitbit 3 is great. If you press the sides, it'll tell you how many steps you've walked. 707, so that means it's upside down. Sorry. If you do the sides, you'll see. Also, if you swipe up, it'll send you to different things. Oh, yes. So it has a counter, 250 steps an hour for 9 hours. So if you do 250 steps an hour for 9 hours, or for each hour, it will allow you to let you know how active you've been throughout the day. So if you're one of the people that's like maybe an office worker and you're hardly ever up or down, this might motivate you to get up more, to go to the bathroom more, to go to the copy machine more, things of that nature. So I would recommend using the Fitbit Charger 3. Like I said, it's easy, it's compact. I use it at all times. My husband bought it for me, and it has become a necessity in my life that I keep on me at all times. And a lot of times it does motivate me to move a lot more. All right. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.